Hello and welcome, my name is Andrey Sokolov and it's been a while since I've posted the last video. So today I'm gonna show you a quick tip how to transfer UV coordinates from the original object to the new Blender hair system, which is available starting from Blender version 3.3. So let's jump right into it. We got our default cube, let's switch render mode to rendered, let's split the window, let's switch this window to the shader editor and to hide the N panel, and let's add some texture to our object. Shift A, input, texture coordinate. We will be using UV texture coordinate because our goal is to transfer UV coordinates from the original object to the hair system. So I hold and drag UV and start typing something like noise texture, for example. Here is how it looks. Let's add something like greater than, probably. This is the mass in the greater than mode. And let's add something like color ramp to get it some color. For example, red and yellow. Maybe decrease details, increase scale a bit. So now we got our cube with some texture pattern on it. Let's add Shift A, curve, empty hair. This is the empty hair system. To add hair, we go to the sculpt mode, add some hair to it. All right, jump back to the object mode. Probably we need also to go to the render properties, curves tab and switch to strip to get some thickness for the hair. And we will need a separate material on the hair. So let's add new material, and to get color information from the original object, we can do the following. We can separate texture coordinate because we will be using another node for the texture coordinate on the hair system. Instead, we select all what determines our texture color, press Ctrl G to group it, tab to go out the group. Let's name it something like color texture. And now we can use this group in any other material. So I select hair system, and in its material, let's name it hair color. I press Shift A, group color texture, and here I have the same texture pattern as we had on the cube. I plug it into the base color, and unfortunately we got random color for each hair strand. If we try to use, for example, input texture coordinate UV, it doesn't work this way as it worked in the old hair system, because each hair now has its own UV map. So instead, we need to add Shift A, input, attributes, and here we should find something that's called surface UV coordinate without index. We can actually use any of them. For example, surface UV coordinates 005, but then we need to manually remove this index and dot out of this. This way we will be available to use this vector information as a UV map. And here we had the result. So here is how our cube looks, and here is the hair system. Everything works great. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, hit the like button, you can support me on Boosty, the link is in the video description. Unfortunately, this is the only option for me to get donations currently. Hope to see you in the next videos, bye bye.